Hello, Michael. I saw your comment on the Thursday night. I think you had a question. After June 15th, you had a handicap for Ralph Cole. Ralph Cole had a handicap of 7.6. And then the next 2 weeks, it went up to 7.9, and I think your question was concerning that. So if we look over here for the season, Ralph has a total of 165 games. And then down here, the rolling handicap, which is currently showing the 7.9, only has 25. So here's what's going on. If you look at the 25-game segment from December 15th to June 8th, which is right here, December 15th, and down here to June 8th, he had a 20. And then from 12/22 to 6/15, there's your 12/22. He had this other 20, and here he had a 44. So what happened when we moved to January 5th to June 22nd? You can look at January 5th here. We lose both of these 20s. Of course, in your rolling handicap, weeks that you don't play, which is indicated by the 0, none of that factors in. So you lose 2 20s, and you replace it with a 47 and a 44. Okay, so 47 and 44 is 91 versus 40 here. And so that's an additional 50 points. So 50 points additional over, we'll call this roughly 1,000 points, is about 5% difference. So that's how you were able to get this dramatic jump from the 7.6 to the 7.9, is you dropped these 20s and you picked up, here's where you dropped the first 20, and then here it really took off when you dropped the second 20 and picked up the 44 and the 47 to replace the 2 20s. Anyway, you can calculate all of this stuff yourself. I actually had the luxury of a computer program that I wrote to do these calculations. I don't know how well you can see this, but I did these calculations here to come up with this chart here. And so that should get you where you need to be.